Alright guys, the day has finally come. My tires have arrived at Costco. I'm going to be taking the GTR in to get these tires put on. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. I'm going to wash the car first really quickly, and then we're going to go ahead and head over to Costco. Alright guys, just got the new tires put on the car. I went with these Michelins. The car comes with run flats from the factory, but I went with these Michelins. They've got really good reviews, really good traction reported for track use. They're the Pilot Sport 4S's. And I'm really happy with the way they look. I'm gonna do some tests on the way home here so we can see kind of stickiness and sound levels. So let's take it on the road and check it out. Alright guys, just got the tires done at Costco. Obviously a huge savings here. They are not run flats, so that's part of the reason why it's such a big savings for me. However, they ride really nicely. I'm really excited to take them to the track next weekend and see how they do. Other cool thing is at Costco, I was a bit concerned that they'd have kind of a generic approach to the car. Doesn't look like that's the case. They have the exact torque setting that the lug nuts need to be set to, and I spoke to the two guys that were working on the car. They took their time with it, and overall really good experience. No nicks on my rims or anything else like that, and they even reached out and said that they had a contact for ceramic coating if I needed it. So really happy with what I've done so far. Next things we'll do are the cabin air filter and the engine oil. And then I probably will get the alignment done at a dealership. $440 is kind of high, but I've seen some people charge as much as $500 for the GTR, and I don't think this is something I want to take to just a generic shop. So we'll go ahead and knock those last three things out. I'll add it up, and you guys can see how much this service actually cost me.